Hello and welcome. My name is Chris, aka the IT guy, and I'm going to be the one who is going to lead you through this journey. In this complete course, I'm going to be showing you on how to build up the .NET Web API application. First time I heard about .NET, it was my brother who introduced that to me. And after starting to work with .NET, I started to fall in love with it. And from now on till next time, I think I will be using it on my next project. That's why I'm starting this complete course to guide you on how you can start with it and create an API that is ready to be consumed by different clients. In this course, I'm going to be showing you on how to start up with setting up the environment. I'm going to be showing you how to create the required entities. We will see on how to interact with the database by using entity framework. And after that, we'll see on how to add the repository pattern, the unit of work, and the generics too. After that, you see on how to add the pagination, the filtering, the sorting, and the search functionality. I am assuming that you have a little bit knowledge about C# and .NET, but if you don't have one, don't worry. I'm going to start to demonstrate everything step by step so that you can get what I'm doing. To demonstrate all the techniques that we need, we're going to take a simple example about the e-commerce website, and I'm going to be showing you on how to build that, and it will be ready to serve that purpose. So, what you're waiting for? Let's jump to the course and get ready to be hired as a .NET developer with flying papers. Cheers!